Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. It's getting chilly here, y'all. But it's Sunday and free paper bun for the kids today. If you don't know that term, if you're not familiar with that term, it means that their vacation ends today. Yes, they go back to school tomorrow, which means everybody have to wake up early because mama have to go to school, papa have to go to work. So everybody have to get up and do what they have to do so that we can all be out of here in time and get to where we're going on time. Which means today is crepe day, so that Tyler can have his favorite for breakfast in the mornings when he wake up. So I'm going to make crepe for my boy and prep some things for the week, like ensure that I have things for my lunch and such and such and such. So hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, be honest, be kind to one another. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of the day with the rest of the family. They're all over the place right now, so you guys will see them in a bit, okay? So if you guys want to know how I make crepe, just check my food channel at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica and you'll be sure to see it there. What? You want to help?
Yeah, I'm stuck.
You're stuck? Come on. Come on. She wants to help.
Voila!
Voila! Say good morning!
Papa! Mama making dinner.
No, Mama making crepe.
Mama making crepe.
You want crepe?
Yes.
Yes.
I am making crepe.
Yeah. We're gonna make crepe together, okay?
Yeah.
So Mama wants 500 grams of flour. Okay?
Sarah has
Sugar. Wait, it open. Be careful. Okay, we need 500 grams, okay? 500 grams. Oopsie. Okay. There we go. Flour is just enough. No! Oh my God. Sarah threw the sugar on top of the flour.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
So what we're going to
Hold on, cause how many grams of sugar I needed? I needed 60 grams of sugar. 60 plus 500 equals 560. So I just have to continue throwing the sugar onto the... We have to continue throwing the sugar onto the flour. You can eat it. Eat it. The little girl threw the sugar on top of the flour. I like to weigh them separately. So that's why I didn't want to do that. But okay, it's done. So that's fine. She threw it right on top of it. Oh my gosh. Mama gonna make Christmas cake soon. Is anybody making Jamaican Christmas cake this year? All my Jamaicans, this is for you. Are you making Christmas cake? I am definitely baking. But I am not baking until close to Christmas because I'm going to eat off all the cake if I do that. So I'm waiting last minute to bake, but I'm going to find my ingredients soon and blend them up, steam them and blend them up and keep them, preserve them. but I'm definitely baking this year, and I still might have to bake 2 times because I know my friend is going to want cake, so I still might have to end up baking twice. But that's fine. You throw my sugar in the flour?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're too funny.
And now we can take a fork.
Now we need to break the eggs.
Okay,
How many eggs do we need?
1, 2,
We need 8 eggs.
8 eggs.
Yes. So we have to break 8
And
eggs.
6 eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay?
Okay. Correct.
Crack it.
Now can we?
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hit it. Hit it. Mama, hold it. You hit it. Hard, hard, hard. Yay! Stop. Good job. Bravo!
One more.
One more. Hit it. Okay, stop. Oh, Jesus. We don't want no eggshell in there, okay? Tai abandoned us this morning.
Hey.
Tai doing memory game. Tai don't want to help us this morning.
I do want to.
Tai only want to help us to eat the crepe.
Helping you now.
Oh, you're here.
Happy
Look
now.
who showed up.
Happy now.
Look who showed up. Say good morning.
What boy, and you're happy that I showed up? Huh?
Yes,
You're
I'm
happy?
always happy.
Happy. Ow, ow.
Okay, let me go.
So what are you doing?
You say good morning.
What one?
Why are you eating them up like that? Be nice.
I said eat.
Before he said, look at the fourth member in beard. You guys, let me give you a close up
Until tonight.
of Mr. Beard. He's enjoying vacation. You guys, look at us on the road. We're in these streets.
Papa? I take it
Come
out.
on. No, you keep it on, okay?
Okay.
Come on. So you guys, we're out in the city
Là, c'est fini les vacances.
because I realized that one of Sarah's book have that she need to stick photos of her vacation in the book to carry back to school tomorrow, and I didn't see it. So I sent some photos to my friend Danielle and she printed them for me. Funny enough, I messaged both Danielle and Tashika, and because both of them have printers, but Danielle respond first, so I'm going to Danielle to pick them up. Yeah, so that's where we're going. So we'll park our car in the parking and going to take the tram to go to Danielle. It's called like a relay. It avoids us from driving our cars in the city. So we're jumping on the tram right now. Tram coming. You Guys, I got back and continuing where I left off. I had started cooking before I left, so I'm just finishing up right now. I'm sauteing some broccoli, not broccoli, liar, mushrooms, and then I'm doing the salmon real quick. I have it over here in some oil, which I don't usually do, but when you want things to go faster, you got the faster route, right? So I'm doing some salmon real quick, and I did this chicken before I left home. This is not for tonight though. I'm gonna have this for school in the week. And then I already steamed some broccoli before I left, and I made macaroni and cheese before I left, and I made these earlier today. So I'm on a roll. I went to Danielle, but you guys didn't get to see her because we were catching up and chatting so much. Is when I left, I'm like, oh, I didn't take out the camera, but that's okay. You guys will see much more of Danny Bunny. I am going to finish up cooking, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. So this is what I went for you guys at Daniel. Pictures of what Sarah did throughout vacation. Tyler cut them out. Be a nice big brother. And now Sarah and Papa and Tyler is sticking. So she glued the back and Papa stick them, and then he's gonna write little note of what she was doing. While they're doing that, I'm working. Good job, Ty. See, she moved the one that you put right there. Brush teeth time. Give Sarah our toothpaste. Help her, Ty. Brush teeth time and good friend.
T'as dit quoi, papa?
Come, put your toothpaste on. Brush teeth. No, you don't put water in that. Brush. Sarah, brush, please. Brush, brush. Come, Tyler, let's go. Timer. Sarah said night to Faves.
Night.
See you guys
Night.
tomorrow. Tyler.
Tomorrow.
Ty, your turn.
Bye. Till tomorrow.
Vacation. Finish. Bed. Where you going?
I'm going to eat.
School tomorrow. No reading at this time of the night. Time for bed. You can go up and start reading until Papa come. Your pee-pee already?
No, but I don't want to pee.
Go on pee-pee, please. Come bearded face.
Yeah,
Look at the mermaid.
I wanted it. It's gonna be done by tonight.
Can I sit up, please?
I'm up. It's you that
You look
just
like
get
you only
tall.
have head.
Yeah.
Babe. Can you sit
it's
up,
the abs
please?
walk.
Only if that was working the abs, then I would tell you to stay. But it's not working the abs because right now you have one whole pack.
One whole pack of
I have
abs.
12.
You have 12 abs, and I have one pack of how many?
One pack with the 12 in it, but you can't. You just that
Yeah, and
one just represent the 12.
Yeah, and the
exactly.
ground. They're ready for winter.
You're always ready for winter. You're too funny. You not stop saving winter food yet. It's winter now, and you're always saving food for winter, so it's your time of the year. You're too funny. Anyway, you guys are coming on to end today's vlog. What say you?
I just don't feel well all day.
It's been a while since we've sit down like this, man.
I just feel sick all day, so I just hope I didn't catch what the kids had. So, yeah.
Sarah didn't vomit today,
She
so
did
that's
mine.
good. She vomited last night again.
Just a little bit.
A little bit, not like before.
Yeah, just a
And
little
none today, so fingers crossed that the night goes well because back to school tomorrow. So I'm praying, but you can see that she's a little bit uneasy through the day.
Yeah, the stomach
In
feeling.
terms of she keeps saying mama's stomach. So I know something is going on, but she didn't vomit, so let's see. how it goes. But anyway, we're ending the vlog here. Don't have much to say. Been a busy, productive day. So we're just gonna do is give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Be kind to one another. Love you guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. You look like a professor when you do that.
I am the professor.
Professor of what?
The professor. There's only one professor.
Of what?
Professor.
In...
It's the movie One Professor.
That's what I'm just about to say.
Yeah, your brain is just shutting down.
My brain been shut down.